Forgotten username recovery failed on Binance App Fix. If you've lost access to your Binance account, most people get this wrong by rushing through the recovery process or entering outdated information. You won't believe how simple it is to recover your username with the correct steps. Step 1. Open the Binance app or visit the login page, then select Forgot Username. Enter the email link to your Binance account. Binance will send a recovery email with your username or secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check every email folder, including spam, junk, and promotions. Many recovery emails get filtered, causing unnecessary frustration. Avoid multiple recovery requests in quick succession, as this may temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your email is inactive, gather verification details like your full name, date of birth, and recent transaction history. Contact Binance support directly with this information. Providing a linked phone number or past deposit info can speed up the verification process. Step 4. Once your username is recovered, save it securely in a password manager or safe note. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring your Binance account remains secure. By carefully following these steps, you can regain access to your Binance account efficiently. Proper verification and secure credential management are essential for keeping your cryptocurrency investment safe.